Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am a full-time nurse, part-time reseller, and I also have 3 kids, so pretty busy. So on my channel, I show you what's sold on eBay, also thrift hauls, online auctions, and some different ways to source to increase your knowledge and build your business. So we're gonna go out to the shed for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna show you what's sold, and then we're gonna go have a little adventure. We're gonna go pick up some stuff for the shed and hopefully see if they have some other stuff. So stay tuned. Good morning, good morning. So we're heading out to the shed, but it's so pretty out here. I just thought I would show you guys. We got some cool cows across the street. So this is my version of Florida, um, if you guys haven't seen. So yeah, there's the shed. I did add a few stickers, so we're gonna check those out. And then I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna be doing today. So I got some stickers from John over at Cincinnati Pickers. This one's vintage and doesn't want to stick, so I'm probably gonna have to put some tape on it. So today's kind of exciting. So as you see, we have no shelves on either wall. And my friend found some shelves, so I want to show you guys a little before shot here, and then I'm going to take you with me to get the shelves, and yeah, you're going to see the after, I hope. So I'm going to pull the orders. I'll show you guys those, and then in a little bit we're going to go on a trip. All right, so most of the time I do not ship on Saturdays because I want to break. However, this week I am working on Monday, so I want to go ahead and ship today because I don't want my husband to have a ton of packages by himself on Monday because I will be at work. So let's go over what's sold. So we do only have $200 going out on eBay, which is a little slower than average for us. Our average is $250. So let's see what we got. So first is this Avon perfume. And I know I say no Avon perfumes in other videos, but I do want to say the newer ones do okay. So this one I paid $6 for. It sold for $18.62 plus shipping. So it's going to be, and this one is an open box. The last one of these I sold, the box was sealed, but this is not used. You can sell used perfume and sprays on eBay. You cannot sell used lotions or creams or anything like that. So anything that somebody's hand would have to come into contact with, you cannot sell if it's opened on eBay. But if you spray it, I know my little, if you spray it, then you can sell it on eBay because that is not coming into direct contact with someone. But my perfume's new, but just for you guys to know. Up next are 5 nasal mist. Those sold for $20. That is free shipping. I actually had a request yesterday for somebody to return nasal mist. That is the first out of all of the tons that we have sold. So it's a return week this week. So they wanted to return it because it burned their nose. I issued a 50% refund, told them this is a personal product, do not return it. And I just gave them 50% and told them don't return it. I haven't heard from them, so hopefully they take that and just go. If they don't, they can file a claim and eBay will pay them the other 50% because I am a top rated seller. So if you're a top rated seller and you have an item that comes back to you other than how you sent it, so if it was new with tags and it comes back without tags, or like the nasal mist, they opened it obviously to know that it burned their nose. So if you have something like that, you can take a 50% deduction and eBay will actually cover the other 50% if the buyer opens a claim, and eBay will remove any negative feedback that buyer leaves. So just a little tip. All right, so next up we have this plate. This is the atomic starburst pattern again. This one I only had one of. It's a calendar plate, so it's got all of the months there, and it's from 1966. So this one sold for $17.99 plus shipping. I am in the profit on this lot. I had a couple of viewer sales on this lot, and then I have sold some bowls. So this is pretty much all profit. And then up next is this Philadelphia Eagles. I have to move back. This is a little bit big. Philadelphia Eagles helmet pennant. And then 3 more nasal mists for $11.33. And then we did sell one of the games I picked up the other day. So I paid $2 for this. It sold for $5.99 plus shipping. Sorry, the baby just ran in here without clothes on. So let me hurry and finish up. And then we have these Orton biometric cones. These are a size 04, and these are for the kiln. The last sale that we have are, these are kangaroo, hold on 1 minute, buddy. Kangaroo feeding tube bags. So these I bought at a medical auction, the first one that I did actually 3 months ago. Hold on, buddy. 3 months ago, I paid $30, so I paid a little too much, but they sold for $65. Okay, I'm gonna go. I did want to say I checked pirate ship on these because they are 8 pounds. It is a lot of 38 of them, and eBay was actually cheaper than pirate ship by about 40 cents. So buyer $69.71 all in, and that's the end of the eBay sales today. So some of you were asking with my pennants how I do it. This is of course easier than the longer ones, but same concept. This is one of my eBay boxes, and I will just find one that fits it good, and then we'll just slide this in here, which is really hard one-handed. Ha ha. And then we'll just tape the box up, and then it ships flat. I will put like a little piece of cardboard under on these gaps, and then it is super light, and it still goes first class. So yeah. So I just cut 4 pieces of cardboard, and then I will slide them in here because I don't want tape touching my pennant. So I cut 4 little pieces to go on each side, and I will tape that down to it to protect the pennant. All right, so here are our numbers for today. Sales were $204.19. Cost of goods was $36.50, which is a little high because those feeding bags I didn't make as much as I was expecting. And then shipping is $57.91. Fees were $28.67. That leaves us with a profit of $81.11. So 39.7%. So I don't always hit the 50%, but it's definitely what I strive for. So not too bad overall. Let's go see what we can find for the shed.
Listen to Swap Shop on Saturday.
Oh yeah, we have it on.
I think
So we got some bins. And a whole bunch of shelves. Tons of shelves for the shed. Alright guys, so we are home and we have got all of our shelves. So we're gonna see. Oh, I got some bins too. I got all of this for $60. And yeah, let's see what we can do with this. So all of these really big boxes are the ones with the shoulder braces that I'm hoping to bring back to the medical auction on Tuesday. I did get this clothes hanger because most of my jackets and stuff are in my closet. And then these shelves, which he took apart, the shelves are there. They're kind of industrial. I'm hoping we'll almost cover the length of one wall, and then we'll have the rest of these. So let's see. All right, and we have got a whole wall of shelves. And I left enough room underneath them. We can put some totes. We can still walk. So yeah, we've still got some on the trailer, but they're kind of wobbly. So not sure if we're going to put those. All right, guys. So I just wanted to show you, I've got some, like I moved some of the shipping supplies up. And you can see there's still plenty of room to walk here. I did also buy 3 cash registers from him, and I am listing those now. I wanted to show you guys. so if you see BB1, BB2, so each little section I have marked. Like here's BB5, BB6. So in the shed, they're all double letters so that we know, you can see the AA2, AA4, so that I know that they're in the shed, because I have 3 different storage places and I want to be able to know where stuff is. So I did end up using one of the other shelves over here, and I also put in the clothes rack, so I've got to get that stuff moved over. And yeah, hopefully these things will be gone back to the medical auction. And of course we're not getting rid of the nasal mist. And hopefully, I also got a ton of small bins, so I'm going to try and show you guys those tomorrow or Monday, just to organize a little bit more. And yeah, so we got quite a bit done today, and I will see you guys inside in a minute. All right, guys, so it's actually super nice out, so I decided that I would finish this off outside. So I wanted to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please consider liking, subscribe, and share with your friends if they're into reselling. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Did you pop a bubble? Get some more. Oh! Gotta stomp it. You gotta stomp it. Whoa! Jump. Can you jump? Oh!